As a creator, I understand the struggle of getting 1,000 subscribers very fast, especially as a growing YouTuber. But after everything you'll be learning from this video, getting your first 1,000 subscribers will just be as easy as clicking subscribe on your favorite YouTuber's channel. Now, what if I told you there's a way to force YouTube to push your content to thousands of viewers on the platform without spending a dime on ads? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you step-by-step strategy that will make hitting your first 1,000 subscribers feel like a shite play. A lot of creators will not tell you this. Now, this is the part where you want to grab your pen and jotter because we are about to get even more serious. This strategy has got a lot of creators thousands of subscribers. YouTube has a good mind for small creators and it's called Shorts. Now, unlike your regular long form video, Shorts can make you go viral in hours. Will you believe me if I tell you just one short can get you 1,000 subscribers? I posted a short in 24 hours and boom, hundreds of views, new subscribers and instant growth. This strategy is what has made me over 4,000 subscribers, and if I can, you too can. This is when most people mess up. They only post short but they forget the real secret. Now, what is the real secret? When you go live, YouTube push your video to new viewers, including those who don't even know you. And the best part, for every time someone watches your live, it increases your watch time hour. And this can even help you hit the monetization threshold even faster. Live stream is the game changer, and this has legit made me over 2k subscribers in less than a week. Let's talk about long form video. Of course, you're not going to neglect this one either. Make sure to create videos people are searching for, videos that are solving a problem, videos that are full of value, and watch the magic happen. At first, it's going to feel like no one is watching you, but YouTube is watching you, and the algorithm tends to favor those that are consistent. Now, if you are consistent, you're going to get lots of subscribers and engagement on your channel. And if you follow these practical tips, the algorithm will trust you, and I guarantee you get your 1,000 subscribers very fast, faster than you can ever imagine. Now, let's not forget our subscribers are humans like you and I, so make sure to always reply their comments, ask them questions, make your live stream interactive, answer their question, ask them or tell them what to do next. And because the more engagement you get on your channel, the more YouTube will promote your videos to more persons and you get your 1,000 subscribers very fast. Follow every step I've shared on this video. Posting searchable, regular long form videos consistently. What I mean is posting videos that people are in need of, posting videos that are solving problems regularly, posting shorts regularly, and going live consistently. Nothing will stop you from hitting your 1,000 subscribers, not even village people. If you stick to a particular posting schedule and do every step, every strategy, every tips I've shared on this video, you're going to hit your 1,000 subscribers very fast. Now, if you want the real secret to growing even faster, make sure to hit that subscribe button because my next video will be a game changer. This is the Okochizi and I want you to become a part of our community. Click that subscribe button, share this video to your friends and family, drop your comment, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.